In this exam application tutorial, we're going to look at the topic of cell division. The question is, compare the processes of mitosis and meiosis for 6 marks. It's one of the easiest questions you can be asked as a 6-marker. What it's asking you to do is list at least 3 ways in which the process of mitosis is different to the process of meiosis. 3 marks for mitosis, 3 marks for meiosis. You could start off by saying mitosis produces cells for growth and repair. You could also say that some organisms reproduce asexually through mitosis producing clones, and you could say meiosis is used to produce gametes. But if you want to get right down to it and just explain the differences in the processes, this is what you would say. Let's deal with mitosis first. Mitosis produces 2 daughter cells from one parent cell. Here's the parent cell, here are the 2 daughter cells. The cells produced by the parent cell, the 2 daughter cells, are genetically identical. They are clones, they are copies. And they are diploid. What that means is they contain exactly the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell from which they were created. In humans, diploid means having 46 chromosomes, 23 from your mother, 23 from your father. Meiosis, however, produces 4 daughter cells or gametes, sex cells, from one parent. So you can see here that 4 sperm cells have been produced from the one parent cell. You can see there are also 2 divisions. So the first division creates 2 cells and the second division creates 4 cells. It's very important to remember this point. The cells created by meiosis are genetically different. They are unique. Each sperm cell is varied genetically. That's why brothers and sisters end up looking quite different from each other a lot of the time. And the cells are haploid, not diploid. That means they contain half the number of chromosomes. So all I've done is the flip side of everything I said for mitosis. 2 daughter cells, 4 daughter cells. Genetically identical, genetically different or unique. Diploid, haploid. Very easy.